Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about rolling like a ball in the C shaper. So, how many of you are tired of cheating on your rolling like a ball? Or you don't even understand how you're cheating, but you know you're just not doing it right because you don't feel it the way it sounds like you're supposed to feel it. Well, if you've got this C shaper probably in the corner of your studio, this is a really awesome piece of equipment to practice your rolling like a ball and also just to help you see when it is that you're cheating. So typically when people roll like a ball, they lose the shape. So if this is your start position, the space between your heels and the space between your thighs and your chest has to stay the same. So when I go back and up, I can't let that come away from me. When I go back, I can't let this come and collapse into me. And if you do either of those things, you will see it and feel it instantly because this guy is not forgiving. So in a perfect world, you press your legs into your hands into your legs, and you can just rock and rock and rock and rock. And it's going to feel like you're doing sit-ups, but because your arms are connected to your back is still working. Because your legs are pressing into your hands, your hamstrings are working, and your outer hips are working. So then you can really feel how you're just a ball shape going back and forth. And it doesn't matter where you are in space. If I took a picture, I could rotate it around, and it would be the same shape. Right? I shouldn't be able to see, oh, they're on their way back because their legs collapse into them. Or, oh, they're on their way up because their legs are reaching away. Does that make sense? So I highly recommend practicing it here and then going onto your mat and practicing that same shape on your mat because after all the other pieces of equipment are here to teach us how to do our mat work better. Okay, so for more information, make sure you check out all of our free tutorials on onlinepilatesclasses.com. You can check out our classes there. Please write your comments and questions in the comments below. I love talking with all of you. You guys are amazing, and I will see you next time.